Our ingredients for our adobo is just soy sauce. Of course, it's the pork belly or chicken or whatever you want. Then salt and pepper, laurel. I use onion powder and onion garlic, and then just mix them all together. A little bit lime juice or lemon, that would be great. Or if it's not, just use vinegar, and then a little bit red or brown sugar, and then a little bit water just to make it meat tender, and then voila, and it's done. That's our food for today. That's it. Bon appetit. Have a good day. Bye.